Carolina Republican lawmakers are expected to pass a $23 billion budget this week after announcing an agreement yesterday.
The Senate gave initial approval to the budget less than an hour ago with a 38-11 vote. Democratic Governor Roy Cooper is slamming the spending plan, especially when it comes to teacher pay.
And I think it may be the most fiscally irresponsible budget I've ever seen. The budget manages to spend $130 million more than either of the chamber's budgets, but it spends less on teacher pay than either budget.
Well, the plan includes about a 3% pay raise for teachers, but provides no additional funding for classroom supplies or spending on broadband infrastructure. The new budget would also leave thousands of children on pre-kindergarten wait lists.
The governor is encouraging both parties to vote no on the budget that he says is wrong for the state. But Cooper stopped short of saying he would veto it. The North Carolina Association of Educators agrees with the governor's opinion. It released a statement which reads in part, quote, "Public school students are shortchanged in this budget with very little investment in the resources it takes to help them be successful." The governor says educators are the losers in this two-year plan. Another group that stands to lose a lot includes some of the state's poorest citizens. Bill O'Neill is live in Greensboro with the story all new at 6. Bill?
Yeah, legal aid, which helps the poor to gain access to the courts, is once again facing budget cuts here in North Carolina. The money that we're talking about comes from court fees in criminal cases that is used to help for legal services for the poor in civil matters. Now, the biggest demand for these help is in domestic violence cases. That's where spouses seek protective orders. That is followed by housing cases and consumer cases. 2 years ago, lawmakers cut the budget for legal aid, eliminating some 50 positions. A spokesman for legal aid says they often represent the very vulnerable who need a voice in the courts.
We are often the difference between them having a lawyer and true meaningful access to the court system and not having that. And that can make a huge difference. For example, in domestic violence cases, it can make a difference of about 80% in terms of their success rate when they try to seek a protective order from the courts.
Legal aid currently gets $1.50 from every court fee that's paid. It's a total of almost $2 million annually for the budget. That budget, by the way, expected to have a final vote later this week. In Greensboro, I'm Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.